guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the almond milk named Malk. Hi guys, my name is B Messy here on YouTube, and I do cleaning motivation, lifestyle videos, and everything in between. If you like my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like that video, and hit the notification bell to be notified every single time I upload. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm doing something a little bit different. If you guys saw my Whole Foods haul, which I will link in the iCard above, I did get some almond milk and a coconut milk. And I decided that I was going to give a review of them. And you can see Alice in the background. That's so cute. But this is Malk. This is organic almond milk. Unsweetened vanilla, 4 ingredients, USDA organic, cold pressed, 4 grams of protein. It says kosher certified, glyphosate residue free, and gum free. So gums are just a additive. It makes it a certain texture. It's not the best for your body. So it has 110 calories. It has 4 grams of protein, like I said, and it has less than 1 gram of sugar. It has 1 gram of fiber and 0 cholesterol. It says filtered water, organic sprouted almonds, natural vanilla flavor derived from vanilla beans, and Himalayan salt. So I don't like almond milk. I'm gonna have to admit. I hate almond milk. I hate coconut milk. I don't like anything but milk. Even with milk, I don't think I like milk. Like, y'all. But this is my new baby. And let me tell you why. So, it's a dairy-free option, like you know that. But this tastes like a milkshake. I did on one of my Instagram lives. I go live every Friday night at 9 p.m. Eastern Time, 8 p.m. Central, with Miss Unique Gifts. I am part of the Unique Squad with her and Tony from Tony Talks Unboxing. So, I go live there every Friday. And we do a couple of different things. It's kind of chaotic there. We just go random. We just, like, for 10 minutes, we're business, and we're like, this is what we filmed, and welcome to the chats. And then things just happen. It's hilarious. So make sure to follow us on Instagram, and make sure that you're there every single Friday, because it's hilarious. Anyway, but it tastes like a milkshake. I actually don't like it now because it tastes like a milkshake. There's no sugar added, and I feel like there is. And the texture is amazing. It tastes like it has the texture of milk. It's light. It's a BPA-free bottle, y'all. This is amazing. Like, this is like what you need to get. It's at Whole Foods, if you guys don't know. I also did I mention the Whole Foods haul? If I didn't, I'll have it in the iCard above. But it tastes like a milkshake. I think that's why they call it a Malk, because it's like milkshake. I don't know. Milkshake, milk. I don't know. That's my thinking of it. But it tastes like milkshake, so I don't feel like I want to have my cereal with this, because I'm used to milk and not Malk. Maybe I should get just the unsweetened version and not the vanilla, and let's see what that tastes like. But since I don't want to be eating a milkshake with my cereal, or I guess if I drank milk, which I actually don't drink milk. I usually use milk for baking, cooking, or I use it as food, cereal, eggs, anything like that. I use that for. So I actually don't. Oh, you know what I wanted this for? I wanted this for coffee, because I like to add some milk to my coffee, and this would be amazing. I want to do let's go ahead and see, actually. Let me take you into my kitchen, and we're going to try to make some foam from this. I have an espresso maker from Keurig, and it has a little foam thingy that you can do, and it heats it up, and it foams it up. So let's see how foamy this gets with my Keurig. Okay, so we're in my kitchen, and this is my Keurig. I have my Malk right here, and I'm just going to take this little guy, and I'm going to undo it, and you guys can't see this, but I'm just going to do it into let's do the cap line. So there's 2 lines in there. There's one for cappuccino and there's one for latte. So I'm going to put the lid back on that, just like that, and I'm going to put it back on. This will also heat up the milk as well. So let's do calf, carp, cappuccino. Yeah, it's cap, not or. So I'm just going to go ahead and let this foam up, and I'll show you guys the results. Okay, so the foam is actually not that bad. It actually foamed up. So I'm actually really impressed by this. So A+ to Malk. Alright, so I'm back here in my bedroom and give you guys my final thoughts of this. I think Malk is an A+. I just need to use this more. I need to use it in my cereal. I need to try that out. But if you're in the market, I know this is a little bit more expensive than the basic almond milk, but if you don't like almond milk, I think this is for you. I really think this is the best option out there for dairy-free, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Hit that notification bell, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.